You are welcome to Vedic TV, where you get information based on fact.
Good day, my Nigerian people. Good day to everyone out there listening to me. I hope everyone is staying strong and staying jiggy. Today's matter arises says bombshell. Detained Nnamdi Kanu drags Abuja Chief Judge to CJN with demands. See details. Nnamdi Kanu have decided if they don't want to listen to me, no matter how much I talk and talk and talk, I'm going to take it to a higher body, a higher force. And that is why it's going to go to the Chief Judge of Nigeria with his case. They should change the judge and change whoever that is supposed to be working on this case because this whole thing with Chief Chief Judge Toho and Justice Nyako is getting out of hand, and it is actually frustrating the man. It is getting annoying. So since they don't want to listen to him, no matter how much he talks, and people have talked and talked and talked, they don't want to listen. He decided I'm going to the Chief Judge of Nigeria. Let's see if she will be able to put up my case and make it more impartial. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has formally petitioned the Chief Judge, Justice of Nigeria, Justice Kudirat Kekere Eku, over the continued delay in reassigning his case to a new judge. His legal team, led by Aloy Ejimako, is urging the Chief Justice, to intervene and direct the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Toho, to assign the case to a judge with the appropriate jurisdiction. The petition, dated February 20, 2025, raises concerns over the role of Justice Binta Nyako, who currently presides over Kanu's trial on terrorism-related charges. According to Ejimako, the judge had previously recused herself from the case, making it improper for her to resume proceedings. He argues that once a judge steps away from a case voluntarily, they are automatically disqualified from further involvement, emphasizing that reversing such a decision arbitrarily could undermine judicial integrity. Ejimakor further stated that the impartiality of the judiciary is fundamental to maintaining public trust. He warned that allowing Justice Nyako to continue with the trial, despite her earlier recusal, casts doubts on the fairness of the legal process. He stressed that such actions could erode confidence in the courts and create the impression of bias. In addition to this latest petition, Ejimakor reminded the Chief Justice that Kanu had previously launched a formal complaint against Justice Nyako with the National Judicial Council (NJC) on January 14, 2025. That complaint, which also questioned the judge's handling of the case, remains unresolved. Given the circumstances, Ejimako called on the Chief Justice to take immediate action to ensure a fair trial for his client. He suggested that the case could either be transferred to another judge within the Abuja division or moved to a court in the Southeast region, where Kanu's alleged offenses were committed. His legal team believes that such a transfer would not only ensure fairness, but also reinforce the credibility of the judicial process. The controversy surrounding Kano's trial has been a subject of intense legal and political debate in Nigeria. His detention and prosecution have sparked widespread reactions, with supporters arguing that he is being politically persecuted. The latest petition adds another layer on the ongoing legal battle, as Kano's team continues to seek what they describe as a just and impartial hearing. With the matter now before the Chief Justice of Nigeria, all eyes are on the judiciary to determine whether Kano's request for reassignment will be granted. The response for the legal authorities in the coming days will likely shape the next phase of this high-profile case, which remains the focal point in Nigeria's political and legal landscape. Right now, Nnamdi Kanu's case is indefinitely adjourned, meaning any day, anytime, they can decide to restart the trial. But Nnamdi Kanu is so angry with the fact that with how the case has been going, and Justice Nyako recursed herself from the case, but still, they are still giving her the right to preside over the case, knowing fully well that she has recursed herself from the case. And according to them, the constitution says that she's not supposed to. And the man is so angry that his case is not moving forward. There is no final verdict about it. They are not saying, oh, we see that you are guilty of these charges, we are locking you up. And they're still not freeing the man. He has been on bail for how long now? For how long? And they are holding him in DSS. He doesn't find that the judicial is actually, or the law is doing well to ascertain his rights as someone that is part of the country. He feels offended and he feels like the whatever thing they are allegations that they are claiming that are committed, it should not warrant such wicked acts from the government and from the law that's supposed to preside over the people. He feels bad and it's really annoying watching this whole thing. As someone that is a bystander watching it as a Nigerian citizen, seeing how it has been going from time to time, it's actually frustrating. Now imagine those people that are actually in the case. And now he's looking for ways, trying to find ways to be able to get his thoughts out. For people to know, for someone that has the power to do something, to know that he's unjustly being held. His whole case is not going how it's supposed to be legally. They said they're making sure that the man never sees the light of day outside prison. So now he's going to the CJN, and we're all wondering, how will the Chief Justice of Nigeria tackle this? What exactly will be her response? Will she send this case to a Southeast, or will she give his case to a different judge? What exactly will she do? Or will she decide that whatever Chief Justice Toho has been doing is the right thing to do? Now, whatever action she takes, whatever choice she decides to make, will actually shape whatever thing that's going to come forth for Nnamdi Kanu's case. It could either help him or it will be against him. We don't know how it will go, but really hope that it will help him instead of being against him, because we don't know how long this whole tension will stay calm. So for now, we've come to the end of today's content. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.